Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a follow-on video to my GBX-100 review. This is going to be purely a comparison video with other popular G-Shocks. So let's get started with the first one, the GBD-100.
I would recognize, I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay caught up.
Next we have the GBD-H-1000. It's much bigger than the GBX-100 and this is how they look like side by side. Moving on to a basic square, so this is a DW5600MS. It's pretty much similar to any of the 5600 model, and this is how they look like side by side. The DW6900 model. Next up is the GA2000 model. Next we are moving to larger case models, starting with the GA700. Next is the GX56 King model.
Have you been holding it safe? 'Cause it's been hard.
And finally with the GPRB-1000, the biggest G-Shock wall. That's pretty much what I wanted to share with you guys today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as new videos are coming pretty soon. I've got a new collaboration review coming up right after this. I shall catch you guys really soon. Till then, see ya.